Hi.
Today you are listening to the upcoming weather for the week from Leo and Ryan.
On Monday, it is 74 degrees.
On Tuesday, it is 76 degrees.
On Wednesday, it's 75 degrees.
On Thursday, it is 74 degrees.
And finally, on Friday, it is 80 degrees. Bye, Empresa!
Hi everyone, today we're sharing some exciting news about the 4th grade field trip to the GIA, the Gemological Institute of America. 2 classes had the chance to visit last week, and they had an amazing time exploring the world of minerals and gemstones. Another class will be heading there this week, and will know they have a great experience too. During the visit, students learn about different types of rocks, minerals, and gems, which connects directly to what they've been studying in science. They also get to see how gems are studied and identified, just like real scientists. One of the highlights of the trip is getting to look at gems that glow in the dark. How cool is that? At the end of the visit, there are even funny surprises where the teacher picks 3 numbers and those students will get a chance to receive their birthstone. We hope all of our 4th graders enjoy this fun and educational adventure.
Hello, Knights! Spirit Day is on Friday, March 27th, and the theme is Wear Your Favorite Color Day. So wear as much of your favorite color as possible. If you don't have a favorite color, just wear any color. Bye, Knights! Now on to Sophia and Sienna.
Hey Knights! Are you excited for spring break?
'Cause we are
ready. Next week is spring break. There will be no school from March 30th through April 3rd. We wonder what you're gonna do for spring break. I'm gonna go to the beach and maybe go camping. For some reason, it feels more like summer than spring. And I'm gonna stay home and watch TV. We hope you enjoy your spring break. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye, Knights!
Hi Knights, welcome back to the last round table where last bloomed.
What did one poppy say to its neighbor? You can poppy over any time.
Ha, ha, ha. Why do flowers never have a bad day?
Because they look on the bright side. Ha, ha, ha. Why are flowers so good at networking?
Because they branch out.
Ha, ha, ha. Why are flowers such good cheerleaders? Because they are always rooting. Ha, ha, ha.
What do flowers study in school?
STEM. Ha, ha, ha. Well, that's all for our garden report. It's time for us to leave. Bye, Knights.
if you're ready for spring break. Yes! We're singing music.
37th dance party.
You're gonna dance twice.